The Wuffy Robot Puppy has taken social media by storm, and now it's easy to see why. This adorable AI powered smart dog promises all the fun of a real puppy without the mess or maintenance. But is it really worth the hype? Let's go ahead and take a closer look what makes Wuffy so popular and whether it's as smart as lovable as people say. So the Wuffy Robot Puppy is designed to mimic real pet behavior basically. Now, it does this by using advanced sensors, voice recognition, and interactive AI. It responds to touch, gestures, and voice commands, wagging its tail, barking, following you around, and even expressing different moods. The more you interact with Wuffy, the more it learns your habits and personality, which makes it feel surprisingly lifelike and emotional engaging. What really stands out is how realistic and interactive Wuffy feels. Its movements are smooth, the sounds are cute and responsive, and it's a big expressive eyes add a layer of charm that both kids and adults love. You can pat it, play games, and even train it to do little tricks. It's a great option for families who can't actually have a real pet due to allergy, space, or time constraints, giving that pet-like experience in a clean, fun, and low-maintenance way. The build quality also feels sturdy and premium, and the battery life is quite decent, lasting several hours on a full charge cycle. Wuffy connects via Bluetooth and can be paired with a companion app for updates and extra features like customizing its behavior or unlocking new tricks over time. So, of course, there are a few minor downsides. So, some users mention that Wuffy can occasionally glitch or stop responding until restarted again. It's also not cheap. Depending on where you buy it, it can cost more than a typical toy robot. But given the level of technology and personality it offers, many find it worth the investment. But overall, the Wuffy Robot Puppy lives up to its viral reputation. It's cute, clever, and full of personality, making it one of the best interactive robots pets available today. Whether you're getting it as a gift, a tech collectible, or even a family companion, Wuffy delivers tons of fun and warmth, no feeding or cleanup required.